What if I told you the habits you're trying to break, like overthinking, doubting yourself, or avoiding parties, aren't flaws? Psychology says they might be signs that your brain is wired differently. In this video, we're breaking down 5 hidden signs that prove you are smarter than you think. Number 4 will definitely surprise you. Number 1, productive overthinking. You are an overthinker, but not in the way people think. See, most people go with their first gut instinct, but smart people, no. Psychologists call this cognitive reflection. It means your brain isn't satisfied with the easy answer. You pause, you analyze, and you simulate different scenarios in your head. So if you can't sleep at night because you're solving a problem, you're not anxious. You're just using your brain's high-power processing system. Number 2, insatiable curiosity. An insatiable curiosity. Ever search for Napoleon's height and find yourself reading about fungi and Antarctica 2 hours later? Congrats! Research from the University of London links high IQ to a trait called openness to experience. Smart brains are always hungry. To you, the world is a puzzle waiting to be solved. This isn't a distraction, my friend. It's your brain building new neural pathways to stay sharp. Number 3, the silent observer. You talk less, but you observe more. Are you the quiet one in the group? That's not a weakness. It's a strategy called active observation. Highly intelligent people don't need to dominate the conversation. When you are silent, you process what others miss: tone of voice, body language, and logical gaps. You're using both your IQ and your emotional intelligence. Let them talk. You are gathering data. Number 4, the holy doubt. You constantly doubt yourself. You think smart people are always confident, but science says the exact opposite. It's related to the Dunning-Kruger Effect. Low ability people overestimate themselves, but smart people understand complexity, leading to intellectual humility. Your doubt isn't weakness. It's a sign that you have high standards and you always want to learn. Number 5, enjoying solitude. You genuinely enjoy being alone. If you prefer staying home on a Friday night over a crowded party, you're not antisocial. According to the Savannah Theory of Happiness, highly intelligent people actually feel less satisfied with frequent socialization. Your brain needs space and silence to process big ideas. Solitude isn't isolation for you. It's your mental charging station. So, if you overthink, ask weird questions, and love your alone time, you're not weird. Your operating system is just designed for deep work. Now, be honest. How many of these 5 signs did you have? Comment your score below. I want to see how smart our community is. If you like this video, hit like and share it with that overthinking friend. See you in the next one.